Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today I'm going to share with you my colour of the month. And this style is Zara. Zara looks great and looks great in this colour, which is Moonstone. I love Moonstone, it's so fashionable, it looks great. It has amazing platinum and white and steel and metallic colour in there, which gives it this beautiful grey whitey tone. And of course, the root is amazing. So now giving you a better look of Moonstone right now. You can see I've got those lovely roots in there, which are just blending through the mid-lengths and ends. We've got these fantastic greys, steel, white, and metallic shades all running through. This is Moonstone, and Moonstone is my colour of the month. And today you've been watching me. I'm Alexander. This is René of Paris. Thank you for tuning in.